12 new tech gadgets that you can buy on Amazon 2025. In 2025, technology continues to push boundaries, offering incredible innovations that make our lives more convenient, fun, and efficient. From futuristic gadgets to game-changing tools, there's always something exciting waiting to be discovered. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone who just loves a new gadget, these 12 groundbreaking products are sure to impress. HoloConnex. Imagine stepping into a new era of communication and collaboration. HoloConnex brings holographic video calls into your living room, offering a truly immersive experience. Unlike traditional video calls that can feel flat and distant, HoloConnex uses cutting-edge hologram technology to project 3D representations of your friends, family, or colleagues right in front of you. This gadget allows for lifelike conversations, making interactions feel more real and engaging, as if the other person is standing right there with you. Whether for business meetings or catching up with loved ones, HoloConnex is a game-changer, providing a whole new way to stay connected in the digital age. Aura by Unit 1. Aura by Unit 1 is not just another smart home device. It's a personal assistant that takes convenience and security to a whole new level. This sleek, compact gadget integrates seamlessly into your home, managing everything from lighting to temperature, music, and even smart appliances, all through a simple voice command or app. What sets Aura apart is its advanced artificial intelligence capabilities, which learn your preferences and adjust settings automatically to fit your lifestyle. It's like having a highly intelligent butler who knows exactly how you like things done. The more you use it, the smarter it gets, becoming an essential part of your home automation system. Whether you're at home or away, Aura keeps your home in perfect harmony, giving you complete control and peace of mind. ApolloSign Paco. The ApolloSign Paco is a revolutionary portable display that redefines how we carry and use digital screens. This compact, foldable device lets you have a full-sized, high-definition screen wherever you go. It's perfect for professionals, gamers, or anyone who needs an extra display while on the move. Imagine setting up a dual-screen workspace or enjoying your favorite movie with a larger view, even when you're not at home. The ApolloSign Paco features easy connectivity with laptops, smartphones, and tablets, offering seamless integration and hassle-free setup. The sleek, lightweight design ensures that it fits neatly into any bag, making it easy to carry for on-the-go productivity or entertainment. One X DPU. For gamers, creators, and anyone who demands the best in graphics performance, the One X DPU is a must-have addition to your tech arsenal. This next-gen graphics processing unit, GPU, brings unprecedented power, offering stunning visuals, smooth performance, and the ability to run the most demanding games and applications with ease. With its state-of-the-art architecture and advanced cooling system, the One X DPU ensures that your gaming or creative workflows are as smooth as possible, even during intense sessions. Whether you're rendering high-quality videos, designing 3D models, or enjoying the latest blockbuster games, the One X DPU provides the ultimate performance boost. Govee Neon Light 2. Light up your space in a whole new way with the Govee Neon Light 2, an LED lighting system that offers dynamic, customizable lighting effects to suit any mood or occasion. Whether you want to create a relaxing ambience in your living room or transform your gaming setup into a visual masterpiece, this smart rope light provides endless possibilities. With its easy-to-use app, you can change colors, adjust brightness, and choose from a variety of lighting modes. The Govee Neon Light 2 also syncs with music, so you can have the lights react to the beat, making it the perfect addition to any party or entertainment space. Breville Infuse Fusion. For those who love sparkling water or homemade beverages, the Breville Infuse Fusion is a game-changing gadget that brings the power of carbonation right to your kitchen. This sleek, modern machine lets you infuse any drink, water, juice, or even cocktails, with a perfect level of fizz. The Infuse Fusion uses advanced carbonation technology to ensure that each drink is as bubbly as you like it, with easy-to-adjust settings for your desired fizz level. Whether you're a fan of sparkling water or want to elevate your beverages with creative fizzy twists, this device offers endless options. It's easy to use and quick to set up, making it perfect for busy mornings, entertaining guests, or simply enjoying a refreshing drink. Plus, its eco-friendly design reduces the need for single-use bottles, helping you live a more sustainable lifestyle. Philips Smart Lock. Home security has never been smarter with the Philips Smart Lock, a cutting-edge solution for protecting your home. This sleek and stylish smart lock offers keyless entry, allowing you to unlock your door with just your smartphone, a code, or even your fingerprint. The Philips Smart Lock also features advanced encryption for maximum security, ensuring that only authorized users can gain access. For added convenience, it can be integrated with other smart home systems, allowing you to monitor and control access remotely. Whether you're at home or on vacation, you can always ensure that your home is secure and that your family and belongings are safe. Unitree Go 2. For anyone who has ever dreamt of having a robotic companion, the Unitree Go 2 is the ultimate innovation. This four-legged robot is not only incredibly adorable, but also packed with impressive technology that allows it to move, react, and interact with its environment in real time. The Go 2 is equipped with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence that enable it to perform a variety of tasks, from navigating obstacles to following commands. It's an ideal tool for businesses looking for a high-tech solution to tasks like security surveillance or package delivery. Dango A10 Adapt Wallet. The Dango A10 Adapt Wallet is a perfect blend of functionality and style, offering a new approach to carrying your essentials. This wallet is designed to adapt to your needs, whether you're carrying just a few cards or a full range of items. Made from durable materials like aerospace-grade aluminum and high-quality leather, it combines strength and elegance. The wallet features modular components that allow you to customize its layout, adding extra card holders or a cash strap as needed. Plus, it comes with RFID blocking technology to keep your personal information safe from digital theft. Anker Solix C800. The Anker Solix C800 is the ultimate solution for anyone in need of high-quality portable power. This power station is perfect for camping, outdoor adventures, or simply as a backup during power outages. With multiple outlets, USB ports, and a massive battery capacity, it can charge a variety of devices simultaneously, everything from phones and laptops to small appliances. The Solix C800 is also equipped with solar charging capabilities, allowing you to recharge it using sunlight when you're off the grid. Its compact and rugged design ensures that it's tough enough to handle the elements, while its intuitive interface makes it easy to monitor and control. Whether you're an adventurer, a homeowner, or someone who just needs reliable power, the Anker Solix C800 is the ideal solution for all your energy needs. Ergo 2 Mini Bike Pump. For cyclists, the Ergo 2 Mini Bike Pump is a must-have tool that ensures you're always ready to hit the road. This compact portable pump is designed to fit easily into your bag or bike frame, providing a convenient way to inflate tires quickly and efficiently. The Ergo 2 features a high-pressure design that can pump up tires to the ideal pressure with minimal effort. Its ergonomic handle and easy-to-use valve make it a breeze to use, even for beginners. Whether you're on a long ride or a short trip around the neighborhood, the Ergo 2 ensures you'll never be stranded with a flat tire again. Lightweight, durable, and practical, this mini pump is an essential accessory for any cyclist. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.